Guys, welcome back to the steam fish video recipe for today. Some steam fish, so she all my spice and cut up and wash and thing there. Pumpkin, you have some pumpkin there and some Irish okra right there. You can see some ginger. We have some carrot there, butter. You can see spicy season there. You have see fish them they will season up and thing here. And steam fish pot there. You can see all that spice them right there. Yeah. So see butter in the pot there, hot in and thing my piece, and I show you step by step. You can see, look good. We have some spice cut up right there. You can see carrot fish. You see butter melt out in the pot and thing there. So you know next step what we're going on now. Go about the butter like that here. So I go on myself and make the butter melt out the right here peeps, yeah. So I'm showing you step by step. So we're going on now. I'll add some ginger to my pot, yeah my peeps, remember. So I cut up the seasoning there, add to the pot the green seasoning. So I'm gonna make them go and stir fry and thing. Yeah. You can see what I go and peeps and I stir it and thing, I stir it peeps. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember for like and share, add the carrot and peeps, yeah, I go stir fry the carrot. You see pumpkin and Irish the peeps, yeah. So I'm putting the okra there now, yeah my peeps. So make that one stir fry for 5 minutes my peeps. Those are recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. So I put some Maggi seasoning like my peeps, because you know for flavor it. The pot have to tasteable my peeps. So just put the spice them together to get the flavor what we want. Remember steam fish recipes, I cover it now, make it go and stay for 1 or 5 minutes here. So I pull it back there, my peeps, I stir it till it come together the peeps before I go on. So steam fish I got nice, remember country style steam fish my peeps. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe I got nice my peeps. I tell you. Alright, cover it again for 1 or 3 more minutes. See my peeps, see them pull it back now, I stir it up and thing. See crackers and you can see what I go on there. See fish them the peeps here. I show you step by step. Yeah my peeps. So the next step now put some water to it now. Yeah. So add the water and thing there. Heat on 2 more minutes like pan boil. I don't want pumpkin to cook or Irish cook or carrot. So I put some chicken logo to it the peeps here to give some more flavour. While pot tasteable, eatable, delicious my peeps, yeah. So I go on there. I'll cover it now. Heat on 3 more minutes to go and boil up. Yeah my peeps see there. So I gotta stir it up to combine together. Me like stir my pot in a peeps because I don't know. Yeah, remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. The peeps there. Remember steam fish in a country style. Cover it up again the peeps, yeah. So I go on there now. Yeah, the peeps. Eat the next story again now. Yeah. So you know some Irish cook and my pumpkin cooking away peeps. So you know so the next step now I put the fish in it and things the whole I spice them there. Yeah my peeps see there. Yeah man my peeps, the recipe I take 30 minutes my peeps. Prepare the right way and thing you see it my peeps, yeah. Lock it back for a couple seconds there. So I open it now. So now got yeah peeps see there. You can see what I want. Another preview of the peeps, yeah. So now I got all the fish them to it now. Yeah my peeps. See fish them there. Nice big pretty snapper them there. Yeah peeps, so see what I want now my peeps, yeah. Cover it down, make it go and steam. Oh, so we put some my spice up on top of it, I don't know. We have to make the thing presentation peeps. You can't put the whole of the food on the bottom and put some on top. As you can see, it's a steam fish recipe. See okra, the carrot, that thing and then fix them on one of them peeps. Like if you go and steam them now, yeah. Peeps, so I go on there. My peeps, I put the crackers like now and think I don't know. Can't steam fish without crackers no peeps. Remember country style steam fish no people. Right? So just do it step by step how I do it. And you try the recipe, don't miss out nothing. The recipe after taste good no peeps. Just buy all of your ingredients them and try the recipe and comment and tell me how the recipe tastes. Your man will pack up with fish with cover it down now if you want to stay for the next 5 minutes my peeps. You see me throw the gravy on top of it there, yeah my peeps remember. Country style steam fish and man some more crackers and the soak and things you see. Yeah, so I sprinkle all over it with the sauce and thing, you know. Nice gravy, juicy, tasteable, country style steam fish. Yeah my peeps, so I go on there. So I'm cover it now. To go and stay again, go down here, see if I come down here, my peeps. All I food them cook out and mash out and see all I spice them there. You can see fish, you can see crackers, the pumpkin, the okra, the Irish. You can see all of the spice them my peeps. Yes, you are going them peeps. Yeah man. The recipe are going nice. Tasteable. Yeah, water my mouth I run peace, me. I tell her star right now, I tell her. She never know. Like a dribble I put on peeps to it. You know, I tell her things just smell nice, I tell her tasteable. I'm gonna taste it yet peeps. Tell us that please remember like and share. Remember to subscribe Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Yeah my peeps, you are going there again. Just put it on the crackers, come on them well soft and nice no peeps. You see it, yeah man. Even though the pot small, but I say it go. I say you have to use what you have though. Yeah. So I don't want nobody tell me say I want a bigger pot. I tell them from now, I know say the pot small. I say it go. You have to use or have. We now put the basket, you can't reach it. Yeah, my peeps, another update on the fish there. So the fish step on finishing now. Yeah. So you know some small carbon fire and things. So it's a recipe here. Take 30 minutes overall to do everything my people see it. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. And remember to subscribe. See the recipe done. Prepare nice eatable